Hi, welcome to Warsaw World. Today we are going to make a medieval half-timbered house. It is very easy to make and it requires only a single sheet of A4 size. To make this beautiful model, we will require a cutting mat, print out on A4 size paper, glue, forceps, empty or dried up ballpoint pen, paper cutting knife, scissor and a steel ruler. Let us first study the model. This is the back side of the model which we will be pasting over here. These two are the left and right hand side of the model. These three are the chimneys which we will be pasting over here. This is the height of the man for reference, and this is the bottom of the model. First we will scour out all the fold lines. Scoring of the line is very important because after scoring it is very easy to fold the lines along the fold lines, and that too also very neatly. Now we will cut the model with the help of a paper cutting knife. Let us crease all the fold lines. This will help us to paste the parts properly. Follow the sequence in which I am pasting the parts. This will be helpful in making the model. height of the human being gives a clear picture of what the size of the model is. Well, don't you think that it's quite easy to make and it looks so beautiful also? It can be used as a decorative piece in your showcase, and you can even use it in a railroad modeling. Hope this has inspired you into making one yourself. I'll post the link of this beautiful models template in the description box below. Be inspired and be creative. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest and patience.